Now it is time for Lesson 11, Letters and Sounds. What is the letter? A. What is the sound? A. Ah. The letter is A. Find two words that begin with the letter A. Acorn. Acorn. Listen to the word acorn. Clap the parts. A. Corn. How many parts are in this word? 2. A. Corn. Clap it again. A. Corn. Ape. Ape. Listen to the word ape. Clap the parts. Ape. How many parts are in this word? 1. Ape. Clap it again. Ape. The letter is M. What is the sound? M. Letter is M. Find two words that begin with the letter M. Male. Male. Listen to the word male. Clap the parts. Male. How many parts are in this word? 1. Male. Clap it again. Male. Man. Man. Listen to the word man. Clap the parts. Man. How many parts are in this word? 1. Man. Clap it again. Man. The letter is T. The sound is T. The letter is T. Find two words that begin with the letter T. Tiger. Tiger. Listen to the word tiger. Clap the parts. Tiger. How many parts are in this word? 2. Tiger. Clap it again. Tiger. Tongue. Tongue. Listen to the word tongue. Clap the parts. Tongue. How many parts are in this word? 1. Tongue. Clap it again. Tongue. What's the letter? P. What's the sound? P. The letter is P. Find two words that begin with the letter P. Pan. Pan. Listen to the word pan. Clap the parts. Pan. How many parts are in this word? 1. Pan. Clap it again. Pan. Penny. Penny. Listen to the word penny. Clap the parts. Penny. How many parts are in this word? 2. Penny. Clap it again. Penny. What's the letter? N. What's the sound? N. The letter is N. Find two words that begin with the letter N. Neck. Neck. Listen to the word neck. Clap the parts. Neck. How many parts are in this word? 1. Neck. Clap it again. Neck. Number. Number. Listen to the word number. Clap the parts. Number. How many parts are in this word? 2. Number. Clap it again. Number. What's the letter? C. What's the sound? K. S. The letter is C. Find two words that begin with the letter C. Cow. Cow. Listen to the word cow. Clap the parts. Cow. How many parts are in this word? 1. Cow. Clap it again. Cow. Cup. Cup. Listen to the word cup. Clap the parts. Cup. How many parts are in this word? 1. Cup. Clap it again. Cup. What's the letters? S-L. Sl. What's the sound? Sl. The letter is S-L. Find 2 words that begin with the letters S-L. Sleep. Sleep. Listen to the word sleep. Clap the parts sleep. How many parts are in this word? 1. Sleep. Clap it again. Sleep. Slug. Slug. Listen to the word slug. Clap the parts slug. How many parts are in this word? 1. Slug. Clap it again. Slug. Very good. The end.